Do you dream of having a stunning rose garden that's the envy of your neighborhood? The beauty of a flourishing rose garden is truly unmatched, and while it may seem like a daunting task, it's within anyone's reach. Today, we're going to share some key tips that will help you create a rose garden that's not just beautiful, but also healthy and thriving. First off, choosing the right roses for your garden is crucial. It's not just about picking a beautiful bloom, but also considering your climate and soil type. Hardy varieties like the knockout or drift roses are excellent choices for most gardens, balancing beauty and resilience. If you're in a colder climate, rugosa roses are known for their toughness. So take the time to research and choose wisely. Remember, the right roses can make all the difference between a struggling garden and a thriving one. Once you've chosen your roses, it's time to get them in the ground and give them the care they need. Early spring or fall are ideal times to plant, as the cooler temperatures allow the roots to establish themselves. Preparing the soil is crucial, so make sure to add plenty of organic matter to provide nutrients. When it comes to watering, consistency is key. Water deeply, but not too frequently, to encourage strong root growth. Fertilize regularly during the growing season and remember to prune in early spring to promote healthy growth. Regular care is vital for roses to flourish. With careful attention to these details, your roses will reward you with a stunning display of blooms. Finally, let's talk about pests and diseases, the bane of any gardener's existence. Aphids, black spot, and rust are common issues. Regular pruning, proper watering, and using organic pesticides can help prevent these problems. By being vigilant and proactive, you can keep your roses healthy and vibrant. There you have it. With these tips, your dream of a stunning rose garden is within your grasp. We've covered choosing roses, planting, care, and pest control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!